Hi, my name is Anthony.
Hello, my name is Arthur.
And hello, my name is Mr. Din, and today we're making spring rolls to celebrate Chinese New Year. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is prepare the ingredients for our spring rolls. There's lots of different things you can put in spring rolls. We're going to be putting some vegetables in ours. So Arthur is armed with a peeler and a carrot, so he's going to start very carefully peeling the carrot.
Oh, it looks like spaghetti.
It does a bit, doesn't it? There we go. So
You put the oil in, put the carrots in first.
Ooh, carrot.
that makes a nice sizzle nowadays, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Always good to test as you're going along.
Nah.
So this is soy sauce here. So you want to just put 2 or 3 shakes in? Yeah, of course. Which hand do you want to choose, left or right?
Is this my left?
That's your left, yeah. Okay, ready? So we're going to go shake, 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 shake.
You have to wait for the onions to caramelize and then you know it's going to be ready.
You can use special Chinese spring roll pastry. We're using a different type of pastry though. Arthur, what are we going to use?
Phyllo.
Yeah, phyllo
So
pastry.
the pastry sheets are really thin, so you need to brush margarine on them to stop them from drying out. If you find it's hard to do this, use scissors instead of a knife to cut them.
I'm brushing the pastry.
Okay, so now we're going to put the filling in. So we've already prepared one here. So we've got our vegetables ready in our bowl. And we have, as you've seen before, we've covered our phyllo pastry sheets in margarine, melted margarine, and now we're going to put a teaspoon and a half in.
When you're done, you can just glaze them in the margarine again.
Okay, so our spring rolls are ready to go into the oven. What temperature, Arthur?
180.
And how long for?
10 minutes.
Perfect. Okay, so let's go and put them in the oven. Here are our spring rolls. Arthur is armed with chopsticks. He's going to give them a go. We've got a soy sauce dip, but you can have a chili dip and lots of different other dips as well.
I can't do it.
So, let that go. Ooh. Do you want me to help?
That's broken the spring roll.
That's fine, don't worry. So, there you go. Do you want to try and take a bite? What do you think, Arthur? Tasty?
Done.
Brilliant.
Tasty spring roll in the world.
They are delicious. Well done, Arthur. Well done, Zanthi. They're really tasty.
I like the crust.
They're really good.
So, Happy New Year, everybody. Xin Yang Kuai Le.
恭喜发财，新年快乐。
And we'll see you again soon.